I want you to see the detailed. There's an R in there, and you can see how the detail of this 1998 cup, $1. And these are some of my collections. This is how you will look it on a magnifying glass. I have one of my magnifying glass in here that I put it in my camera. That's the 1998. Sorted. So I have a collection from the Philippines. See, and I put it in a plastic thing, and I think it's better to do this than to the hard one, but I don't know how to take care of this. So I have a collection of two collection of this. This is I bought this at the they gave it free for the circulation of this Canadian Olympic. Let's see, I have a whole bunch of this. So I got 2 of that, and this is the right folder for this. So I don't know if I can get a right folder for the other ones that I have, but that's how it is. I've been doing this for a long time. And I have also this. I've been collecting stamps since I was a kid. So I got some, but see, I took some out because I was trying to fix it. See, I was trying to fix it, but I didn't. I just didn't have time before, and I think this pandemic will let me do this stuff again, and then I'm gonna go and post it on my YouTube channel.